everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check if an iPhone is original. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you've got an iPhone and you'd like to check and verify its authenticity, then here's how to do it. Go to your settings on your iPhone and tap it on. Now, tap on General from the Settings menu and tap on About. From this page, go to the serial number and press hold to the serial number. Tap on Copy from the pop-up. Now simply go open up your Safari and in the address box, type in serial number check iPhone and search. Go to the first link that says check your service and support coverage Apple support. Once you tap on that link, simply enter your serial number in the text field, paste it into the box, enter the code that has been displayed right beneath, and finally tap on Continue. The system lets you know whether your iPhone is still within the warranty period, and other information like your valid purchase date. Your iPhone model will be displayed on the screen as well. If you receive the message that says "We're sorry, but the serial number is not valid," then your iPhone probably is fake. That is how you can easily check the authenticity of your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.